Do you know what's useful for your first reroot? I have been often asked this question, and I would like to give you a short answer over my 5 tools that I would recommend you today. I use the lock and loop method here. I don't work with the rerooting tool because I don't like glue inside of Barbie heads. And for this method I have 5 very useful tools. About how this method works inside the Barbie head, I have a whole video. Tools are useful for the lock and loop method, so you have no glue inside the head. You know, I don't like glue inside of Barbie heads because you don't know what glue will cause in the long time in the Barbie head. You know, it's rubber and we can't estimate what will happen after a year or a decade in the head, in the rubber, how it will change. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. My tool number 5 is a good yarn, because this will save you a lot of yarn and a lot of waste. If you use a cheap yarn, then you have the problem that you will need a lot more than if you use a good one. Money saving. My next tool for you is a doll needle. I recommend you to get a good doll needle, so you need only one, but I have bought them in a pair of 3. You only get them in a pair of 3, and my decision was to use the shortest one, but you can also use the longer ones, so it's up to you which one you prefer. They are very cheap. I think they were £3. They are from England, but you also get them in other European countries from Prim, I think. And it's no problem to get them. Use Amazon. My shortest needle has a curve here because I have used it very often in the past for my reroots, and I think you see it. My tool number 3 is a pair of tweezers. It's very helpful because it's time saving. When you have lost a streak inside the head, then you can simply get it out by using your pair of tweezers. Even if it's deeper in the head, this one is not so far away from the hole here, but if it's deeper inside the head, this is very helpful because you can get the last streak you rerouted out with this device again, and this saves you a lot of time. My number 2 is a crochet hook. This is also very helpful because, like I already showed you, you can use a pair of tweezers, but you can also use here a crochet hook to get the hairs out again when they are inside the head. And I use my crochet hook here when they are just under the hole and it's not so deep in the head, so you can get it out very easily by just pulling here, and then you can simply start to work again with your doll and the hair. This is also very time saving. Believe me, I have used it very often when rerouting. You see this always laying around when I reroute. And I'd also like to give you an instruction here shortly how I use it. My number 1 tool for rerouting is my steam genie. Mine is by Russell Hobbs. You can buy other steam machines if you want, The only thing important is that you have no metal on the outside, because then you can destroy the head when you touch it with the steam machine. So that are my top 5 tools for your first reroot. I also have a video about how to find the right pair of scissors for your reroot when you want to do something like this Barbie doll here. Of course, you need your imagination for your project. I think that's clear, because if you don't have an idea what you want to produce at the end, it's very hard to do it. And as you can see, I imagined this style here, like a snail. I have already done a video of how to do this. I'm going also to link you this video. So, question of the day is, what is your favorite rerooting tool, or which kind of tools do you prefer to use for your reroots? Let me know in the comments below. I hope we see each other very soon in the next weeks. See you and have a great day. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!